How to get $100 Amazon promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Amazon promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Amazon. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open CouponFollow. Once you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. $50 off, $10 off, $25 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on the offer. With that, you will get the code. So here's the code. You can copy it, then click on redeem at Amazon. You will be directed to the official website. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers as well, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Amazon. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.